Hey there. I'm Experiences International, and today, I've decided to check out a Roblox Studio plugin which could be revolutionary in the future for helping people learn how to code. The plugin we're checking out today is EventBlocks by Xstixy, and it is a block code editor. It's primarily used for scripting stuff for parts at the moment, as far as I'm aware. I will just warn you that this is a beta release, so bugs are expected to happen. I should also let you know that when this video is released, the plugin will likely cost 125 Robux. I'm using this for free since the beta release is free, just so people can report bugs to the creator. If you want to download this, the link will be in the description. Also, if you stick around to the end, I've asked a few questions to the creator about why he has created this plugin, who will benefit with this the most, and what he has planned for in the future. Without further ado, let's get started. When the plugin is installed, you should see a sidebar pop up on the right. If not, you may need to restart Studio. If you do see the sidebar, EventBlocks is ready to be used. I'm going to create a part quickly and show you on how I can make a part send a message when it is clicked by a player. After you've created the part, we want to make sure the part is selected, and we want to click the plus button on the sidebar. After, we need to create a server-sided script for this. At the time of writing, client-sided scripts aren't supported, and we don't need to do it for what we're doing. Now, press the arrow to open the coding interface. We're going to grab the clicked block from the Events tab. Now, we are going to get a block from the Debug tab. This block is the Save block. Make sure that this block is below the clicked block. Now, finally, we are going to grab a string block from the Operators tab. Drag this block into the drop string space in the Save block. You can put anything that you want, but I'm just going to say subscribe to DevBytes and Experiences International. Have I mentioned DevBytes is my channel for Roblox development related content? Now, make sure to subscribe. Finally, let's test to see if this works. As you can see, it works perfectly. I'm going to do another example now. This example is just going to make a part transparent 10 seconds after a player joined, and then revert to its previous state 5 seconds after. Press the arrow to open the coding interface, and delete any previous code that was there. You can delete code by just dragging it into the code blocks list. Also, if it says no script selected, just select the script inside of the part. Now, grab the player joined block from the Events tab. Then, grab a wait block from the Control tab, and make sure it is below the player joined block. Now, grab the number block from the Operators tab, and make sure it is attached to the wait block. Since we want it to wait for 10 seconds, type 10 into the number block. Now, let's modify the transparency of the block. Grab the Set Transparency block from the Look tab, and place it under the wait block. To modify the transparency, you need an Object and Number block, found in the World and Operators tabs respectively. Make sure that both of these blocks are in the Set Transparency block. Now, locate the part by pressing the Locate button on the Object block. And type 1 in the Number block. Repeat placing another Wait and Set Transparency block, and adding the required blocks for these blocks, and this time, set the number in the Wait block to 5, and the number in the Set Transparency to 0. Finally, you can test this to ensure it works. As you can see, it worked successfully. I'm going to end this off now, but before I do so, let's see the questions I put to the creator and their answers to them. The first question I asked here was to ask the developer about why he created this plugin. He responded with talking about their friends who want to create games, but can't quite understand coding. The next question was what the developer has planned for the future of this plugin. He responded with them wanting to get the plugin to a level where it is capable of everything that you can do with UIU. Finally, I asked him who will this plugin benefit the most. The response I was given states the people who use the plugin, and the creator who will make a little over £1 before Roblox tax and developer exchange rates from people downloading the plugin. I've been following this for a while, and it's great to finally see this released, even if it isn't capable of much at the moment. I wish the best of luck to the developer, since even though it's basic at the moment, it still is a lot of potentially complicated code. If you found this video informative or helpful, feel free to leave a like, or subscribe, or even consider becoming a member for £4.99 a month. Thanks for watching, and take care.